So a couple of weeks ago, I was at a car show and I shot 8 vehicles only to find out the microphone wasn't working. So the reason I'm posting these videos is I really want the owner to see it and to, if they're interested, to contact me. They have my card and we can reshoot the video. But also, I wanted them to know at least I posted it. I ran into a person yesterday, a wife of a guy I shot his '49 truck, and she said, "Oh, you never posted the video last year." And I explained to her I did. It's a '49 Chevy pickup truck, 3100, and I had mic issues on that one too. You can hear the speaker, but not as loud as you should. So I bought new mics this year and still having a mic problem. I'm learning the system. I believe it's all human error on my part, but this is such a beautiful car and a great story behind it. I just feel bad because the gentleman did such a great job explaining it, and here I screwed up the mic. So if he sees this, I would love to shoot your car again. If you're pissed off, I get it. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh yeah. Down the road, by my half a seat. Out down the road, by my half a seat. Out down the road, by my half a seat. Out down the road, by my half a seat. Down the road, by my half a seat. Out down the road, by my half a seat. went down the road by my house to see. I went down the road by my house to see.